I thought it would be a good opportunity to film a really short video. I have my mason jar of coffee. I am currently just drinking it black, so I am ready to go. I don't generally do sit down videos like this, and I think that's pretty self-explanatory. I just started this channel last year, I think it was, and there isn't really viewers or an audience to have these conversations with, but I'm definitely not going to shy away from having these sort of videos where I sit down and have a little bit of a chat. As usual, these products may not necessarily be brand new, and they could have already been on the market for several years, but I always want to get on and give my opinion. My recent favorite for liquid liners has been the Anastasia liquid liner, and it looks like this. It's the wand style, which I don't necessarily have an issue with. However, my new obsession is the Too Faced Better Than Sex. So they are both really similar liquid liners. However, as I mentioned, the Anastasia is a wand style and the Too Faced is a Sharpie style. Now, this is obviously less steps, and I find it to be generally a little bit easier. I find also that the product for wand style liners gets really dry quickly, and that's just because when you're putting the wand in and out of the tube, you're getting air, oxygen inside, and it's obviously going to dry the product a lot quicker. So I think that this one is definitely still going to be in my collection of favorites. It's very, 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 very fine, and that's what I need when I'm going to be trying to complete a wing such as the look that I did today. And you can still get a lot of precision, you can still get right along that lash line. However, I just think that this is a better option. Now, it is what I have on my eyes today. I do not know how to do this yet. I'm trying my very best to get my face up close enough to camera, but yeah, this is actually my everyday makeup routine. It's very quick, takes me less than 10 minutes to do. I generally will put on a concealer, do a little bit of spot treatment on any red areas of my skin. Before that step, I have a moisturizer on. Don't wear any primer for this kind of look, and I'll add some bronzer, which is my Fenty Beauty obsession, a little bit of blush, liner, and mascara. That's it for today's video. As usual, stay safe, be happy. Talk to you soon. Bye. I don't know why, but it looks like I have wings. Look. I should probably be on one of those crazy, ridiculous Red Bull commercials.